Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to watch League of Legends replays on your phone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update, watching League of Legends replays on phones directly through the official League of Legends client is not natively supported. The replay system is primarily designed for the desktop version of the game. However, there are alternative methods you can try to watch a League of Legends replays on your phone by transferring the screen recorded file to your phone using QuickShare from Google. So firstly, make sure you have a QuickShare app on your Android, and on your PC, make sure to connect the Bluetooth of the same devices by choosing the name of your PC and mobile phone. Now, watch the replay on your PC using the League of Legends client. To do this, open your League of Legends, then go to Profile, then go to Match History. Choose a match history that you want to rewatch by clicking on the save or download icon. Just wait for a moment, then click on rewatch. Use screen recording or a dedicated software to record the replay as a video file. So on this, I'm going to use OBS. Once your OBS is open, make sure your source is set to display capture. Now, let's click on the start recording. Once you're done recording, just click on pause icon to pause it. Then go back to OBS, then hit on stop recording. Find the location where you save the video files on your drive. Right click on it, then choose Quick Share, then choose your mobile phone name, then on your mobile phone, hit accept, then just wait for it to complete. Then just open, and it will redirect you to the video that you've sent out. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.